Good day everyone. Ang topic natin sa araw na ito ay tungkol sa factor theorem. Factor theorem, if the remainder comes out to be 0, then x minus c is a factor of p of x. So, kapag daw ang lumabas sa ating remainder ay 0, therefore, ang divisor daw natin ay factor ng given na polynomial. Halimbawa, example number 1. Determine whether or not the first polynomial is a factor of the second. So, ang given nating polynomial ay x squared plus 2x minus 5. Aalamin natin kung yung x plus 1 ay factor noong x squared plus 2x minus 5. So, para malaman natin kung factor siya, ito yung step. So, yung polynomial na given, susulat lang natin which is p of x is equals to x squared plus 2x minus 5. And then yung divisor natin, which is yung x minus c ay yung x plus 1. Then, equate natin sa 0. X plus 1 equals 0. And then, x is equals to negative 1. And then, sasubstitute lang natin yung value ng x dun sa given na polynomial. So, p of negative 1 equals negative 1 squared plus 2 times negative 1. Again, yung x pinalitan lang natin ng negative 1 minus 5. And then, p of negative 1 is negative 1 squared ay positive 1. Gawa ng, ang ibig sabihin ng squared ay mumultiply lang daw natin sa kanyang sarili. So, negative 1 times negative 1 ay 1. Bakit naging positive? Kasi kapag tayo ay nagmumultiply na magkaparehas ang sign, siya ay nagiging positive. And then, 2 times negative 1, the answer is negative 2. Magkaiba kasi ng sign. Kaya, negative 2 or minus 2. And then, bring down yung negative 5 o yung minus 5. So, p of negative 1 equals negative 2 minus 5. So, pinagsama ko lang yung magkaparehas ng sign, kaya 7 minus yung negative 7. And then, 1 minus 7 is negative 6. So, gawa ng magkaiba sila at mas malaki yung 7 sa 1, kaya siya ay negative 6. So, kung mapansin natin, hindi nag-0. Therefore, x plus 1 is not a factor of x squared plus 2x minus 5 kasi nga yung remainder natin ay hindi nag-equal sa 0. Next, example number 2. Determine whether or not the first polynomial is a factor of the second. So, yung x minus 2 daw, alamin natin kung siya ay factor ng x cubed minus x squared minus 4x plus 4. So, again, susulat natin yung given na polynomial which is p of x is equals to x cubed minus x squared minus 4x plus 4. And then, yung divisor natin which is x minus 2, i-equate natin sa 0. So, x minus 2 equals 0. So, kaya ang value ng x natin ay 2. And then, substitute yung value ng x dun sa given na polynomial dito. So, magiging siyang p of 2 equals 2 cube minus 2, ito, dito galing, squared, minus 4, yan, pinalitan ng x, naging 2, plus 4. And then, p of 2 is equals to 2 cube ay 2 times 2 times 2. So, 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 ay 8. Minus, ang 2 squared ay 2 times 2, which is 4. And then, 4 times 2 is 8. So, minus. And then, 4. Bring down 4. And then, lahat ng parehas ang sign pagsama-samahin. 8 plus 4 ay 12. Negative 4 minus 8 ay negative 12 or minus 12. And then, 12 minus 12 is 0. So, iba siya dun sa una. Kanina ang lumabas ay negative 6. Ngayon naman ay 0. So, kapag 0 ang lumabas na remainder, therefore, x minus 2 is a factor of x cubed minus x squared minus 4x plus 4. Kasi nga, 0 yung lumabas na remainder. So, that's all. Thank you for watching.